So quick update on my glove box. I hammered this nice and flat so one of these could sit in there. It's not going to lock, but I'm okay with that. I don't need it to lock. I'm not keeping valuables in there. So that's going to be my latch system. I had to cut the hinges off, but I have these. I don't know what they're made out of. I'm hoping this is just steel that I can weld. But I had these in my drawer of random bits and things. Happen to have a little set of hinges for a cabinet, and I think I can make them work. I got it straightened out to where it kind of fits the curve of the dash. So I think it's going to look good on there if I can figure out how to get these hinges to work. I don't know what it is with me and welding gloves, but these ones are starting to come apart on the inside. So every time I pull my hand out, it's like they turn themselves inside out. The liner. Glove box is almost ready to go in, but before I put it in there, I need to get rid of these little holes. Perfect. All right. Mocked up into place, actually. Of course, I'm going to remove it when it's time to paint this thing. I'll just pull back on this. Close it up. Open it. Works great. Nice and smooth. If I just had those little rubber stoppers in there to hold this nice and snug, keep it vibrating. Okay. Far out as this piece goes, but this piece needs to come out to about right there. So I can maybe notch this out, make it a narrower space, close that gap, or figure out a way to make this come out to here and go over. So for my glove box stopper, I just got a piece of 550 cord, which of course is a completely acceptable fix. I just need to figure out this, extend this somehow.
Tumbleweed Garage.